When doing design, sometimes we have to modify the shape after a couple runs, but we want several features to stay the same and the relationship to be the same. To achieve that, we have to set some parametric relations. I'm going to show you two examples. First, let's start by drawing a 5" by 3" rectangular shape and then have a circle roughly in the middle of the shape. When we're doing the modification of the shape of the plate, we want to make sure first the hole is always in the center of the plate. And second, we want to maintain the size of the hole to be 1/3 of the height of the plate. Let's start by clicking on the dimension and then move our cursor to the 5 inches. And we saw the variable name as D0. We confirm that and then we check the dimension from the center of the circle to one side of the edge. We want to set this location dimension to be 1/2 of the width of the rectangle. So we added this dimension by typing D0/2. Click on the check mark and now you notice the derived dimension value are displayed with fx in front of the numbers. Let's repeat the above steps and set a vertical location dimension to be 1/2 of the height of the rectangle. Let's also set the diameter of the circle to be 1 and you see this is our D4. At the very top quick access toolbar, we see an fx. If you click on fx, that brings us all the parameters we use. Alternatively, you can also go to your manager parameters. This gives you the same user parameters. Here, you see everything we had is listed. You have your D0, D1, D2, D3, D4. Since we want our D4 diameter to be 1/3 of the height. The height is D1, so this D4 value is going to be D1/3. We can add it here. Click on done. Now you see this becomes fx1. If we change the dimension of the rectangle to be 6 by 3.6 and now we see the location of the circle does not change and the diameter of the circle becomes 1.2. Let's extrude this as a 0.25 thickness plate. And now if we decided to change dimension of our sketch, we'll be able to see the extrusion wheels updating together.